This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Dear students, in the previous session of trigonometry, we discussed different systems for measuring angles. Two important systems were the sexagesimal system and the circular system for measuring angles. In the sexagesimal system, the unit was degree, and in the circle system, the unit was radian. Now we will talk about few questions. We will discuss questions. Here the question 1 says, convert following degree angles into radians. Different degrees are given. So obviously, if you want to convert degree into radian, you need to know the relation. Now, recall the previous session. There, we proved that pi radian is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. So, if pi radian is 180 degree, 1 radian will be how much? 180 upon pi degree. Got the idea? Or 1 degree will be how much? Pi upon 180 radian. Now, consider this 15 degree. Since 1 degree is these many radians, unitary method 15 degree will be how much? 15 into pi upon 180 radian, and that if you solve comes as pi by 12 radian. So 15 degrees how much? Pi by 12 radian. Now come to this 18 degree. Again, 1 degree is pi upon 180 radian. So 18 degree will be how much? Pi upon 180 into 18. And if you cancel this, it comes pi by 10 radian. So 18 degree is what? Pi by 10 radian. Now I'll take this 22 and a half. This 22 and a half is actually 22 degree plus half degree. If you solve, this comes 45 by 2 degrees. Since 1 degree is pi upon 180 radian, so 45 by 2 degrees will be, if you solve, it will be 45 by 2 into pi upon 180. And the value comes about pi by 8 radian. So this comes pi by 8 radians. Similarly, if you solve 30 degree can also be solved very easily. 30 pi by 180, and that will come about pi by 6 radians. Now you try to find the value of 36 degree in radian, you try to find value of 45 degree in radian, 54 degree in radian, 60 degree in radian, 72 degree in radian, and 90 degree in radian. Okay, now I will take the another question here. Like in the previous question, it was conversion of degrees into radians. Now here the question says convert following radians into degrees. Okay, so uh, the relation we know, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. So 1 radian will be how much? 180 upon pi degrees. So if I try to find the value of pi by 4 radian in degrees, it will become 180 by pi into pi by 4. And if you solve, it comes how much? 45 degree. So pi by 4 is what? 45 degrees. Got it? Now I'll take pi by 6. So pi by 6, pi radian is 180 degree. So pi by 6 radian will be how much? 180 by 6. That is what? 30 degree. Okay. So similarly, you can get the value of 5 pi by 6. Similarly, you can get the value of 11 pi by 12. Now here I'll show you how to find 6 radian in degrees. As we know, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. So 6 radian will be 180 by pi into 6 degrees. As we know, the approximate value of pi is 22 by 7. So I'll substitute here. It will become 180 by 22. 7 will go here. It will be in degrees. So 6 radian will be these many degrees. And if you solve, it comes about 343.6363 degree, which I can write as 343 degree plus 0.6363 degree. I can convert into minutes by multiplying 60. So this comes as 343 degree plus. If you solve this, it comes 38.18184 minutes. Now further, I can write this as 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus I convert 0.18184 minutes into seconds by multiplying 60. Got it? So the value 6 radian comes as 343 degree plus 38 minutes plus if you solve this, the value comes as 10.91 seconds. So ultimately you can say 6 radian is what? 343 degrees, 38 minutes and about 11 seconds. So this is the value of 6 radian. Similarly, you can find the value of 10 radian. This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. TestPrepAdda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.